Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Pink lemonade cookies, take one. And I got this recipe, guys. I was scrolling and I ran into Jolene Sugar Baker on YouTube. I will try to tag her in this. From 16 years ago. She's been doing YouTube that long. I don't know how many videos there is, but you guys check it out. It's funny. First off, I have 1 stick of butter. And I will tell you that I halved the recipe. So if you want to double this, it'll double just great. So 1 stick of butter in here. I have a 1/2 cup of just white sugar going in. And we're going to mix that together.
Are you going to mix it together or are you creaming it together?
He has been paying attention, guys.
I listen. Sometimes. Sometimes. Not always.
Crank this baby up.
Crank it up.
Alright. So we got that in there, and then this bowl here I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
I'm assuming salt is optional since she didn't put it in it.
Well, we did.
Yeah, we do.
But then we always use salted butter, so, you know. All right, we got this all mixed up. The dry ingredients are mixed up. Now we're going to put in 1 egg.
Bloop.
And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You can always use a little bit extract if you want, but we're using just a heavy hand of vanilla.
We like vanilla.
So we're going to mix that up just a little bit. Guys, don't be afraid of making cookies. They're the simplest thing to make. They say easy as pie. Cookies and brownies are easier. Okay, got that in there. Now we're going to mix in a 1/4 cup of this pink lemonade. This brings back so many memories from when I was a kid. My mom, we used to have lemonade like that, or orange juice. Oh, loved it. And it's just something that you don't normally buy anymore. I mean, we don't. We haven't bought it in years. So let's mix that a little bit.
Yeah, I used to like to make an orange juice with it.
That's how we had orange juice at home when I was growing up. All right, let's put in some of our dry ingredients.
Tell them what you did today.
Let me get this recipe here. I'm going to put in the zest of 1 lemon. Get that right in there. And then we're just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice because we can. And we have it. And then we're going to see what this dough looks like. It looks like cookie dough. We went to Wellston, Ohio, to a place called Happenings Bistro. Well, it's not new. It's new to us. We've never been there. Restaurant. Oh, my goodness. It was delicious. If you guys are ever in that area, or some of my local people on here, you might want to try that place. And if you haven't tried it. They get their cakes even from Buddy at the Cake Boss in New Jersey. They have them shipped in.
But their food's made from scratch, and they had homemade broccoli cheese soup today, and it was fantastic.
That's what he had. I had a good old hamburger because, you know, I love hamburgers.
And I had a club sandwich with it. And everything was excellent. And guys, I would give that restaurant a 10 out of 10. And the service was fantastic. Everybody was friendly. It's just a great place to go. You guys ought to try it out if you get a chance to.
And I did a little video on it, but it's not going to be on this channel. It's going to be on Bill's channel. So Bill Smith SR at Yahoo.
Adventures.
At Yahoo. At YouTube. Yeah. All right. So we're going to...
And on TikTok. She's going to put it on there.
Yeah. Biker Baker on there. So we're going to put in just a little bit of red food coloring because, you know, we want... This is gel food coloring. We want them to be kind of pink. Because we're doing pink lemonade. And if you don't want to use that, you don't have to. But just that little drops of food coloring, I think, will be safe throughout the whole thing. See, it just turns.
Well, it's food safe, right?
Yeah.
That one is.
But it just a pale pink. I mean, you put as much as you want in there.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. Give it a little bit of color.
I'm anxious to try these.
All right, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So now we've got our cake pan here. And she didn't do this, but she put some sugar on them afterwards. But we're going to try to roll ours in sugar. Just like that. And then put them on the cookie sheet. All right, I'm going to get this pan filled up and we'll be right back. All right, we're going in the oven for about 10 minutes. Now, I will say she baked hers at 400 for 8 to 10 minutes, but I'm going to try 350 for about 10 minutes and then we'll see. Hers may have been bigger than mine. She just used a teaspoon and scooped them on where I used a scooper. All right, guys, I got them out of the oven and they was in my oven for 11 minutes, okay? This is what they look like. And we decided to make a little glaze for the top. So I just have some powdered sugar here. I don't measure it out. We just wing it, guys, on this. And look, when you get done making your lemonade cookies, you can use the rest for lemonade, pink lemonade. So we got that made up. I'm just going to pour a little bit into here, and that's all we're going to use. See how this goes. And we're just going to drizzle that, because that ought to be really good.
I mean, because you know, you got to have icing.
He's not a plain person like I am.
I like things spiced up. If you got cookies, you want some icing on them. And, most of the time.
Yeah. And Suzanne Carroll, I meant to tell you that I did subscribe. So, I'm on there. And guys, if anybody wants to subscribe to her channel, she's one of our subscribers on here and comments a lot. She has one, it's called Blessings Through Music, THRU. So, if anybody wants to check her channel out, she's just starting. Alright, so these cookies are still hot because you know how we do. And they will be better after they cool off and all the flavors go through them. So, we're going to put that on there. And we got this little drizzle here. We're just going to do a little drizzle because, you know, I'm not into a whole lot of the icing. I might have to put some more powdered sugar in it. It's a little thin. Just a soft sugar cookie. And my icing is running everywhere because it's hot too. Let's give her a try. It's the kind of cookie I like. It's a sugar cookie with just a hint of lemonade, or the pink lemonade. Guys, this one didn't take very many ingredients at all. So simple, and you might have the stuff already there, except pink lemonade maybe, you might have to go get that. I had to go get the frozen jar, or the frozen can of pink lemonade. But look, we got extra. Billy, I like that.
I love lemonade.
He likes pink lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Pour out over a big glass of ice. Wow, good to go.
On a 90-degree day like today. All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show, and we appreciate you all. And peace out.
Later, Gator.